Hello and welcome to this division exercise. So this is all about doing bus stop, short division or long division. It's entirely up to you, with remainders at the end. We'll be looking at decimal places in another lesson, but this is just to get you started on this particular lesson. So let's work out the first question together. So let's just do this first question together and see how we get on. So how many times can 2 divide into 3? So 2 goes into 3 once. So let's just put 1 there, and remainder 1. So we'll put the 1 next to another 1, which gives us 11. So how many times can 2 divide into 11? So 2 times 5 is 10. So we just put 5 there, and remainder 1. And we'll put the 1 next to 9 to make 19. How many times can 2 go into 19? So 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 9 is 18. So let's try 9. So 2 times 9 is 18, which again will give us another remainder, which we're going to put at the end of the last line, the last number in our division question. So again, how many times can 2 divide into 19? So 2 times 9 is 18, and that will leave us with 1 remainder left at the end. So our answer is 1,599, remainder 1. So in this case, option A is going to be our answer. If you prefer doing it in a long division format, then by all means you can do, and I'll show you how to do long division here as well. Let's do the same question again. So 2 goes into 3 once, so you just put 2 there at the bottom of 3, and now we just take 1 away. So 3 take away 2 is 1, so we put the 1 there. All right, so the first number is done, just cross that out. Now we've got the 1 here, the next number, so let's put that 1 all the way down here to make 11. How many times can 2 go into 11? So 2 5s are 10, so let's put 5 there. 2 5s are 10, so let's put 10 at the bottom there. Okay, so we've done this now. Let's cross out 1. So 11 take away 10 is 1. Let's put 1 there at the bottom, and let's bring this 9, which is our next number, right to the bottom to make 19. How many times can 2 go into 19? So 2 times 9 is 18. All right, so let's cross this number out because we've used this 9 now. And let's take away 18 from 19, and that gives us a remainder 1. So let's just put 1 there, and we're left with the last 9, which is here. Let's bring that all the way down here again and place it there. And again, how many times can 2 divide into 19? 9 times, because 2 times 9 is 18, and 19 take away 18 is 1. And that means that that last 1 at the bottom of the screen is now going to be our remainder 1. All right, so use either method, bus stops, short division or long division. It's entirely up to you, but this time around you're working out remainders at the end of each question, if there is a remainder. All right, good luck with this.